My name is Mike Callahan. I'm the owner of Callahan Spray Foam Installation, Houston, Mississippi. I've been in business for about 16 years. We do residential, commercial, and industrial spray foam installation. I've been running PMC equipment since 2015 or 16. We do custom builds, high-end custom build houses. One of the main reasons that I personally prefer some of the PMC equipment is the ability that it gives us to control the quality, and for me to have the confidence that my equipment's out here applying this spray foam installation in these big custom homes, and have and know it's being done right, being done on ratio. I've had a really good relationship with the guys and gals at PMC for a really long time, and it's like doing business with one of your buddies. You pick the phone up, you can call up Tim or Nate or any of those guys, David, any of the guys at PMC, and they got answers, and they got real solutions, solutions to the very few equipment failures we've ever had. They've been right on top of it, sent out the parts, took care of us every way that you could imagine to be taken care of. PMC's done that. PMC understands the contractor. They understand that, hey, when we're down, we're losing money. I can't say enough about the people at PMC from the top all the way to the bottom. Of course, Tim Newmeyer, everybody knows Tim. You can call Tim, and Tim's going to get an answer. He's going to get a solution. He's going to get a fix. He's going to get it out to you. He's going to get you back up and going. And that's dollars. I don't care how big a contractor you are, how small a contractor you are, downtime is money. We just don't have downtime with PMC equipment. The stuff, you just turn it on, it runs, it sprays great foam every day. Okay, so we run 2 Mach 2 Premiers. My guys really enjoy the simplicity of the touchscreen and how they can go in and just set our temperatures, our pressures, how we can keep up with how much chemical each gun sprays. PMC Mach 2, and I'm repeating what my sprayers are telling me. They're just a lot more simple to operate. The machine pretty much teaches you how to run itself. Very, very, very little maintenance that we have with these machines. Pretty much, they just spray every day. You turn them on, they work, they spray on ratio, they maintain heat, they maintain the hose heat. So we're currently spraying a custom home for JCL Construction out of Amory, Mississippi. They're a big custom builder here in Mississippi. The house is a little over 3,800 square foot, heated and cooled, a little over 4,500 under the roof. It's all 2x6 framing. We're doing 5.5 inches of energy SPF in the roof. We're doing 3.5, 4 inches of energy SPF in the walls, all open cell spray foam. The Mach 2 has got, it's good a tracking system to be able to track how much chemical you used today, what the temperature was, what how many gallons went through each gun. Just the ability for an owner, a spray foam company. We run 5 machines. So the ability to be able to track each one of those rigs and know that, hey, that machine used this much chemical today, and and it was sprayed right. I would recommend PMC to anybody that's looking to separate themselves from others in the industry. There's a lot of equipment out there right now. I've used PMC pretty much the very beginning of my business. I would recommend PMC, not only because of the quality that they provide, the support. I mean, the support system you get from PMC on the equipment is just, it's unmatched in my opinion. I mean, they're some of the best people in the industry to work with. They've got answers, and it don't take them a week to figure out, you know, what you need and how to get you back going.